Yo, what's up guys? Sequena here. Today's Friday, last trading day of the week. Let's see what we can get from the markets today. For those that don't know, I post videos from Monday till Friday, showcasing when I get payouts, showcasing when I get funded, also showcasing when I take losses. First of all, thank you guys for tuning in. We literally went from 0 subscribers, now we are at 130 something subscribers, which is crazy to me, but all thanks to you who's looking at this video. I really appreciate it. Stay blessed. Shout out. And we are about to switch content. Soon as we reach 800 subscribers, I'll be showing up each and every day trading in my office with the camera on. I'm busy getting together the equipment. I'm busy getting together, building my office and all that. So soon as we reach 800 subscribers, we're taking it to the top, guys. We're taking it to the top, and I'll be doing more giveaways. Let's keep going. More success to us. Shout out. So enough with the yapping. Let's get on with our daily analysis. Currently I'm seeing a buy, and I'm about to enter right now because I see that the market broke the low right there and broke the high. So there's the 1 minute time frame. So I like it because you can easily see where the market is at, the structures and all that. So I'm just going to execute just right there. And again, I'm waiting for my payout, so I'm not really trading my funded account at the moment. I'm trading the one that's still on phase 1. So we are about to pass phase 1 and go to phase 2, but that's not a problem. We've been passing many more in front of you guys. You saw it. I have many videos whereby I'm passing literally phase 1 and phase 2 in one day. I have a video like that. If you don't know about it, go watch. But anyway, as I said, thank you guys. As for this trade, I'm entering a buy and aiming for 1:2.5. So I'm risking $100 for $250. I'm risking $100 for like $250 to $300. Then we'll be waiting for London session. But even if we take an L right here, I'll be still coming back in the New York session. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on how this specific trade goes about. Shout out. Trade update, guys. So we just took an L on this specific trade. As I said, I was risking a percentage of my account, which is $100. So we just lost $100 here for $250 actually. If we were gonna win, we are gonna make $250. But now we're just gonna come back in the New York session and see how it goes. Shout out. Yo, what's up guys? We are currently in the New York session. Time is unfortunately not on our side, so I'll be taking my buy trade right here because I'm looking for a buy. As I can see, the volatility has already started kicking in. Let me take my phone and place a buy actually as we speak. So yeah, stop loss just below this level right here. I just don't want to make it huge, so let me just put it right here. Time is not on our side, guys. Time is not our friend. Time is not our friend right here. It's not the friend. Time is not the friend. It's not the friend. I see a trend line right here as well, but I don't have time, guys, to draw trend lines. So why does it seem like it's going against us? But risking a percentage again, risking 1%. I risk 1%, but if this tends to be a loss, I'll be risking half a percentage after this trade. So as you can see, we are still on drawdown. What I like about this session is that you get your result instantly, as I said, so you get to see if you're taking an L now or you win now. Damn. Damn, guys, looks like we have to operate something. Smart. So what I'm planning to do now, before I take my last trade, which I'm gonna risk half a percentage because we already lost 2 trades so far today. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to go to 15-minute time frame because I want to see actually if we're against the trend or not. As much as I am entering and I am looking for buys, but I want to see if maybe we are going against the trend or not, So that's the best decision, to always check, the overall image of the market is very important. So we are shooting to the downside actually. Price is shooting to the downside. I see a little bit of sell confirmations at the upside, but I entered the sell, the buy, with some confirmations as well. So basically now we're on the 15-minute time frame. What I see is this, we are on this trend here. So now I see why the market is dropping. I see why the market is dropping because you see it has tapped actually a couple of times on this specific trend. That could have been a nice entry actually of a sell, but I think I'll be waiting for a pull. Let me go to the 1 minute. I'll be waiting for a pull right here, then maybe buy until the trend line. Then that's what will be my target, so but it's a risky trade, but as I said, I'm risking 0.5%, so it's fine. I've already lost 2% today, so if you don't risk, Batini, what do they say? They say no risk no rar. So what I'm going to do is, because now I can't enter a sell, guys, let's just be rational. I can't enter a sell now. The stop loss, where will the stop loss be? Let's be rational. Please don't come here with this stuff. So I'm gonna take my buy here and target the trend line basically. So although this is a less probable trade, a very less probable trade, if you would ask me about it, it's not like how I trade, guys. How I trade is I follow a process. So I come at the right time. You don't want to play soccer at a pub where people drink alcohol. So I come to the markets when I know there's volume, and I try to come with understanding. Then I trade the volume. That's how I trade. So I might see different stuff. As I always say, my strategy, I'm a confluence trader. I'm not a strategy based trader. I'm a confluence trader. So a process is good, guys. Soon as we start showing, like I said, on 800 subscribers, you will see what I'm talking about. But anyway, shout out. I'll keep updating you guys. Yo guys, hope you're still good, hope you're still breathing, hope you didn't break your trading plan, hope you still have your account for next week. But anyway, we ended up taking a loss there. I'm just doing a trade breakdown at the moment. So basically on the 15-minute we saw this, the market tapped here, it kept tapping on this trend line. So the sell was a risky trade, really. It was definitely a risky trade, but that could have been a nice trade right there. If you could have entered a sell right there, it could have been a nice trade. So one mistake that I did, I didn't look at the bigger picture. I just came and I got excited of the volume, but I was deceiving myself. When people say looks can be deceiving, that's what they are talking about. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. See you on the next episode. We'll keep you updated on the payout.